Hello and welcome. I know you must have been able to see how I did my ground floor. From the ground floor, I edited it. I put my ceiling level 3450. I know you have been able to see it. And I also put my roof level 6450. So let's just take this one to show you how I did it. So once you double click inside of it, you can change the figure to whatever you want, and once you finish, you go outside of it, you click outside, and that one is it. So if you want to change this one, maybe you made a mistake and you want to change the name, you double click inside so once you do that, maybe you wanted to write roof levels or something like that, you can just, maybe you added S, you just added S, outside of it, you say you'd like to rename question level, you say yes, so that means it's roof levels. But let's change it again back to level. So once you click once outside of it, you just go to yes, you now click yes, so that means you have been able to create a level. So what we want to do in this class is to now go back to our floor plan, which is in the let's start from our natural ground level. Don't forget, we've been able to give them levels now. So you just go to floor plan, say you see NGL, you double click on it, it now take you back to this natural ground level. So this is where we're going to start from, putting our walls. So the first thing we need to do now, but before we go and do that one, let's do our floor. First of all, floor meaning that's 450 that we did from that ground zero to natural ground level. So you see something like this, you see floor. From the modify toolbar, you see the floor, so you left click on floor. Your own might be a little different depending on the year that you are using of Revit. Once you see the year, just follow it through. It's the same thing, it's just the year that might be different in your own. So once you go you click that, you see peak walls and so on and so forth. So now what we need to do is to go and look for lines. You see lines here, so you left click on lines. So line, you now see that this place has also changed. So we now zoom very well. You begin to click from one point to another. So let's start from this our point. You click from this first point to go to the second point. We go like this. So that's how you trace out the perimeter of your drawing. You trace everything out completely. You trace that like that from one point to another point. You must make sure that you zoom very well so that you will see what you are doing. So your cursor must be good. So you zoom very well. You trace out the perimeter like that. You trace it out. You go like that again. You trace it out. You go like this. You go like, and you now end it here. Once you end it here, that is the end. You now go to your finish sketch. You see finish sketch here, finish sketch. So once you finish sketch, you can see that the interface has changed. So we start in the next class to see the editing that we need to do on this our floor level. Thank you.